of would and should. Both we have done. Now we are going to do fill in the blanks using would and should. Okay? Fill in the blanks with should or would. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with should or would. Fill in the blanks with should or would. I'll put up all the sentences, then you think for yourself, should I use would or should? First I have you. You dash save your money for buying a house. For a house. Next. My brother and I, my brother and I dash like to help, like to help you to get everything ready, everything ready, ready for the party, for the party. Next. Dash would like to visit the museum with us. Dash you like to visit the museum with us. Fourth one. People dash exercise regularly. Fifth one. You dash hit the dog so cruelly. Hit the dog so cruelly. Sixth one, even even he were, even he were to try. He dash be able to defeat him in chess. And finally, one more sentence for you, and that is, they shot the tiger. They shot the tiger lest he dash attack him, attack them. Okay, here we have got here 7 sentences, the usage of should and would in these. Okay, you dash save your money for buying a house. So what should you write? You should save your money for buying a house. You would. You will say, you should save your money. That's the right one. You should save your money for buying a house. So you put in here, you should. You should save your money for buying a house. Second sentence, my brother and I dashed like to help you. My brother and I would like, very good. My brother and I would like to help you to get everything ready for the party. Good. Now let's go to the third sentence. Dash. You like to visit the museum with us? Would you? Yes. Very good. Would you like? Would you like to visit the museum with us? The next one. People dash exercise regularly. People should. Very good. People should exercise regularly. Okay, that's good. Next, you dash hit the dog so cruelly. You would hit the dog so cruelly. You would have hit. Here, when you use would, we learn that we need to use have. So, you would have or you wouldn't have. You wouldn't have hit the dog so cruelly. Next, even he were to try, even if he were to try, he would be able. He wouldn't be able. He wouldn't be able to defeat him in the chess. They shot the tiger lest he would attack them, lest he would attack them. Let's go through the sentences once more. Now, use of should and would. You should save your money for buying a house. My brother and I would like to help you to get everything ready for the party. Would you like to visit the museum with us? People should exercise regularly. You would not wouldn't. The short form of would not. You wouldn't hit the dog so cruelly. Even he were to try, he wouldn't be able to defeat him in chess. They shot the tiger lest he would attack them. So the uses of should and would, I'm sure it's clear for you.